Hello and welcome to this Treasure Beach Oceanview Penthouse Concierge Suite tour. Yes, this is room category, which is the XPC here at the amazing Beaches Turks Caicos Resort. Hey there, my name is Addison. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏Luxury.com. It's such a pleasure to have you stop by this channel today, Mr. TraveLux. Here on this channel, we peel back the curtain on everything sandals and beaches. So everything from room tours, the resort tours themselves, fact videos, interviews with management and executives, and everything in between. Things you definitely don't want to miss. So do make sure to like this video and of course subscribe for endless more content about everything sandals and beaches. Before we dive in, I want to mention that if you are thinking to book that perfect trip to tropical paradise, make sure to reach out. We always say if you aren't reaching out, you might be missing out. So if you want to make sure that you have the best service, the best expertise, and of course the best value guaranteed each and every single time, make sure to use our complimentary concierge services at hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Again, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Of course, any questions you have, you can also drop them in the comment section below. And before we dive in, one last thing. So we do have two brand new tools that you don't want to miss on our website, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏Luxury.com. The first is the world's first 24/7 sandals and beaches expert called 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, where you can answer or ask a lot of questions and get some instant answers, I should say there. And the other one is going to be a value checker. If you're someone that happens to be watching this video and you already booked and you're not sure if you have the best value, you can use that tool as well. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video here. Again, we are at Beaches Turks Caicos, and this of course is in the brand new Treasure Beach, and this is the Oceanview Penthouse Concierge Suite for family up to 6 people. Let's go.
Sunset Suite, Treasure Beach, desire. XPC is made for families who love the sky. The 5th floor kind of view that lifts you high. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful space. A suite with calm written all over its face. Ocean pool, tropical gardens below, and the kind of sunset everybody wants to know. Parents and kids can all feel at ease. That's exactly the promise carried on the breeze. Treasure Beach Penthouse, elevated and bright. A room that glows from morning to night. And with concierge service in the mix, the whole stay gets a little more fixed. A little more smooth, a little more light, a little more, yeah, we chose this right. The hardest decision is what comes next. Beach or pool or dinner, all perfectly set. Ready to reach greater heights, they say. And this is the kind of room that proves it ahead. Because some views don't just look good, they feel. And this one gives your family something real. Book the penthouse with Reliant Destinations, sending thousands of families on beaches vacations. Mr. TraveLux knows when the room should rise and helps your family choose the one that satisfies. Service is complimentary, costs you nothing at all. Just expert guidance whenever you call. Oh, and when the dream is family, memories that stay, Reliant helps light the way. Wake up slow with the island sun. Another beach's day has just begun. Maybe breakfast with a view from way up high. Maybe the kids already pointing at the sky. Then out to the resort where the fun runs deep. Grace Bay magic and the memories you keep. 29 dining spots ready to explore. Global flavors right behind each door. Water park laughter and lazy river turns. That kind of joy your family always earns. Sesame Street magic for the little ones too. And a long white beach for the whole crew. Then back upstairs where the sunset waits. Painting the water in warm gold shades. From up here the whole day feels complete. That's the power of a penthouse suite. And this is why planning smart matters most. Because the right room becomes part of the toast. Part of the photos, the rhythm, the feel. Part of the reason the trip feels real.
So there you have it. This has been your behind the scenes look at the Treasure Beach Oceanview Penthouse Concierge Suite. And yes, that's XPC here at Beaches Turks and Caicos. If you have any questions on this room or any other at any of the Sandals or Beaches properties, or if you're ready to make sure that you have the best value and best service going forward, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Thanks again for stopping by this channel. We do appreciate it. We hope to see you back here on the channel soon, and perhaps sometime we'll even cross paths in one of these gorgeous resorts. Take care. We'll see you next time.